Welcome back to Steel City Drones. I am Dave and this is
Morgan.
And it is Tuesday, which means, Morgan,
It's Tech Tip Tuesday.
So Free Tech Tuesday doesn't stop for anything, rain or snow. And right now it is raining. It has been raining, so we have no choice but to be able to film in the rain. So with that said, we have some exciting news here for those of you wanting to get into the survey grade applications and are looking to use a base station and or NTRIP corrections. This is exactly what you want to be able to hear. So recently, EMLID announced that they are offering free NTRIP corrections for 1 full year for any EMLID receiver, RS2 and up all the way to the new RS4 Pro.
Absolutely.
And it is free for 1 year. And Morgan, talk about the cost after the first year.
After the first year, the cost is $6.99, or if you want to do 3 years, it's $11.99, which is a great value.
That almost sounds too good to be true. So what we actually did was we compared what we currently use, which is KeyNet. And KeyNet is, for us, absolutely on maybe 1 or 2 hundredths difference between this and using a Trimble device with the Trimble services. So we did a 30-minute observation for KeyNet and a 30-minute observation right on here for the EMLID corrections. And on the easting, the difference is only 2 hundredths of a foot. The northern coordinates are only 4 hundredths of a foot difference, and the elevation is again 4 hundredths of a foot of difference. So you're not going to get any better than that. And right now, the network of amount of base stations that their whole network has in the United States is huge. So again, we are seeing this, and what's great about this is that we don't even have to go in and put in the port number or anything. All we have to do is connect the base via Bluetooth to our handheld device and our app, and connect it by Bluetooth, and it just automatically connects right off the bat. You don't have to do anything, and it automatically knows where you are and absolutely what to put it in for the coordinate system. So that's perfect for this. So if you're interested in EMLID based receivers, they are the best value that you could possibly get. We only sell the EMLID receivers. That's how well we love these receivers, how accurate they are, how repeatable they are. And I think we're getting a message here to be able to try to wrap this up. However, we're not quite done yet. So we have these on our website. We sell the complete kit. So if you want a base station, the tripod, the tri-block, everything that you need, we have that. If you want a base rover configuration, we have that as well. So we have everything that got you covered. Now, the last thing I just want to cover is that in the video that we made last week, I had a few people come out and say, talk about the 5-minute base observations that I did, and said, well, you're not going to get very good data only taking a 5-minute observation. So what I decided to do was I did a test where we actually did a 5-minute observation, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and a 60-minute observation. And the results are very, very close. When we're comparing a 5-minute observation to a 30-minute observation, there's only 6 thousandths of a difference on easting, 7 hundredths on northing, and 6 hundredths on elevation. When we're using a 5-minute observation compared to a 60-minute observation, the difference is only 3 thousandths, and northing is 47 thousandths, and the elevation is 58 thousandths. So with that said, you can see the key here is that we have very stabilized NTRIP correction, and it's a virtual system that is actually referencing multiple base stations, averaging them out, and taking all those calculations into account for us. If we were trying to use a correction network that was just one single core station, I could understand that concern. But when we have a very good system like we have as far as KeyNet, and now with EMLID corrections, we don't necessarily got to, I'm proving it right off the bat, you don't need to take very long observations. It's not going to hurt. Will it hurt? Absolutely not. It's not going to hurt. But I actually would rather take multiple samples and just to see and see what the difference was. I mean, meaning I would take a couple different 10-minute observations, average them out, and see if there's any difference. The other thing you got to take into account is we have to decide like what time of the day we're doing this. We're going to see differences and variations throughout the day off of a 2-hour window. As the satellites go across the sky all the way through, if we say we did a 10-minute observation at 9 a.m., a 10-minute observation at noon, a 10-minute observation at 3 o'clock, and at 9 o'clock at night, we will see probably 200 to 300 difference on those observations as the satellites move all the way across the sky. And if you're really wanting to get an average, a really absolute, as accurate as you possibly can observation, you would want to go ahead and try to take observations at different times of the day and average them out. And that's going to give you the best absolute number you can get. Before we go, we cannot forget about talking about our in-person drone mapping courses. So we have 4 remaining sessions left in this year that you can sign up for. 2 in September, 2 in October. We are going to make a cutoff 10 days before each of those sets of dates. And if you want, it's 4 days in person with me. We limit them to 4 people per group, and we walk you through everything that you want to know from the very basics to the advanced and then some. Absolutely. And then you also, in addition to coming in person, you would get free for no extra cost the online course, the complete online course, which is a very big value. So we have 4 of those dates remaining left for the remaining of the year. And besides the on-site training, we have online training. So we have 3 different online courses depending upon how far you want to get into it. It's beginners, intermediate, and advanced. And with that said, it's starting to rain, so we'll get inside. And until next Tuesday, we'll talk to you soon.